Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to talk on the topic of biomolecules. I have got many much reviews from the students that this is one of the most confusing topic in 11th NCERT biology. But if we go in a systematic manner, it is quite simple and quite easy. But we should have some tricks to understand that. Let me start this topic. Biomolecules. Now, let us study why the name is like that. We know that bio, of course, living thing, the molecules which integrate the living thing, and all those carbon containing compounds that are involved in our metabolic activities are nothing but the biomolecules. Depending upon their molecular size, they can be micromolecules or macromolecules. Those who has the size up to 1000 K Dalton, they are micromolecules, and those having the size up to 10 K Dalton, they belongs to macromolecules. Now simply these macromolecules in these biomolecules what we are studying can be memorized by a simple shortcut, that is plan C. Now here P stands for proteins, L for lipids, A for AN for nucleic acid, and C for carbohydrates. So these are simply the four biomolecules which are going to be the part of this chapter, biomolecules. Now, as we are talking about the entire chapter, in this session we will see about only the proteins, which are nothing but the macromolecules made from the micromolecules that are their monomers, that is amino acid. And this is the theme of today's topic. What are those all different amino acids which participate, come together to make a polymer, that is protein. Now, before going inside these details of amino acid and else, we have to compare one thing, that when we compare the biomolecules present inside a living body versus the earth crust, two things are excessive in living organism, that is carbon and hydrogen. Rest others which are quite common in both these cases are these one. The shortcut here is the shortcut to remember is Maharashtra State Secondary School Certificate, no objection certificate, or MHSSC, NOC. M for magnesium, H for hydrogen, S for sulfur, S for silicon, S for sodium, C for carbon, N for nitrogen, O for oxygen, and C for calcium. I repeat: magnesium, hydrogen, sulfur, sodium, silicon, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and calcium. Now moving ahead, when we analyze these constituent inside a body, what it extracted from a body, that is the number of elements present in the living body. That can be remembered by this shortcut with the percentage in descending order. Here W stands for water, which is 72 90%, protein 10 to 15%, nucleic acid 5 to 7%, carbohydrate 3%, lipids 2%, ions 1%. So in this way, the chemical constituent of the body can be studied and remembered by simple shortcut key, that is wallpaper Nakli, that is W for water, P for protein, Na for nucleic acid, C for carbohydrate, L for lipid, and I for ions. Let us move to the topic of interest, that is amino acid. When we study amino acid, three things are there compulsory in our mind. One, the carboxylic group, which gives acidic nature. Second, the amino group, which gives the alkaline nature. And third one is the R chain. This R chain varies with the type of amino acid. For example, if the amino acid is alanine, the R chain will be CH3. If it is serine, it will be hydroxymethyl. If it is glycine, it will be just hydrogen there. Okay, so you can understand by changing the type of R chain, the amino acid changes. But our intention today is to remember all those 20 amino acid and the 21st, that is selenocysteine. So how to remember this? सिंपल, आप लोगों को पहले क्या करना है, पहले अमाइनो एसिड्स के नाम को पढ़ना है 2-4 बार. Then you will understand that which alphabet generates which amino acid, and then have this shortcut key to remember. First of all, I will write the shortcut key, that is slim cat photo. Very good है. Okay, now let me give the numbers. I'll give number L2, A4, T3, P2, G3. देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 और 4 10 और 3 13, 2 15, 16 और 3 19 और 21 and the 21st amino acid, that is selenocysteine. अब हमको क्या करना है, हमने 3-4 बार उस अमाइनो एसिड्स के नाम को पढ़ा है. व्हाट विल डू, विल जस्ट टेक द नेम्स विद द अल्फाबेट. S here stands for serine, L for lysine and leucine, I for isoleucine, M for methionine, C for cysteine, A for alanine, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid. Then comes for T, that is tyrosine, threonine, tryptophan. Then we get the P, that is phenylalanine, proline. Then we get V, that is valine. Then we have G, that is glycine, glutamine and glutamic acid. The rest class remaining is H, that is histidine. Well, अभी यहाँ तक तो ठीक है, 20 अमाइनो एसिड्स के नाम पता चल गए, बट इनमें कौन से अमाइनो एसिड का कैरेक्टर कौन सा है और उनका कौन सा क्लासिफिकेशन है, उसको मेमोराइज करने के लिए पहले उसका एक शॉर्टकट याद करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज सुपर बहाना, और यू may use the shortcut, that is Madam Shabana. Let us go with super bahana. Here, yes, that is sulfur containing amino acid, which is considered as chief minister. B for basic amino acid, which comes from Los Angeles. Then A for acidic amino acid, which is a great Australian arc. Then comes H, that is heterocyclic, which is high performing amino acid. Then A for aromatic, which is our PT teacher. And then N for neutral, which in Marathi is considered as lagvi, that is a urination. And A for alcoholic amino acid, which are actually social tribes. Now get this, we got all the classification of this 20 amino acid. Now to which class which amino acid belong is simple here. Sulfur containing, here the chief minister is cysteine and methionine. Basics Los Angeles you here as lysine and arginine. Acidic here are glutamic acid, aspartic acid, and glutamine. Then we have heterocyclic, that is high performing. We consider them as histidine and proline. Aromatic PTT, very simple. Phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan. Neutrals are 5 more. It is quite simple. L for leucine, A for alanine, G for glycine, V for valine, and I for isoleucine. And finally, ST, that is serine and threonine. It is simple. How simply we can understand what are macromolecules, micromolecules, what is the comparative similarity between the living organism and the non-living earth crust elemental content. Then a living body, when we analyze chemically, simply wallpaper nakli with the descending order of percentage. 20 amino acid by simple tricks Simcat photo very good hai. Then all their 7 classification by Super Bahana or Madam Shabana. Then all those simply gets informative to remember in a tricky way. So it just need to study, read it 2 to 3 times. Ultimately you will remember it. So I hope you understand this. Thanks for watching this video.